Hey there, everybody. I am King 5 meteorologist Leah Pezzetti on this final day of February, Saturday, February 28th. What a nice month this was, and what a beautiful way to end it. I have to start with the beauty. This is what we're looking at, our final sunset of February on this Saturday evening. Bellingham absolutely showing off gorgeous conditions, those beautiful clear skies. That sun has officially set, and it is just spectacular. A similar vantage point from Everett as well. Some lovely hues there, some cirrus clouds on the horizon. Just a really nice way to start the weekend and end Saturday night as well. And I have the best news. We are going to start March on a very similar, gorgeous, pleasant note. It is going to be another beautiful day. We're holding on to clear skies. A big picture look at satellite and radar imagery shows us that the activity is staying pretty much down to our south. So Oregon tapping into some rain on this Saturday, Northern California as well. But us in the Northwest, or Washington, I should say, really just a little bit of cloud cover increasing from the south, but overall a really pleasant day for us. I want to show you our watches, warnings, and advisories. And look at that. No, this is not missing data. We don't have any right now. It is so quiet here along the West Coast. No big things that we're concerned about or keeping an eye on. Really just pleasant conditions. And even as we head inland, it's not just our coastal communities, inland as well. So really, really nice conditions for us. We will hold on to these pleasant conditions for a couple of days before bringing back the weather that we know so well this time of the year. That is going to start Tuesday evening. We'll see some increasing rain, and we'll see that wet weather sticking around into the first weekend of March. So enjoy these next couple of days while we can, because yes, it is going to be much different in just a few days. Your Sunday for Puget Sound, we are putting the sun in Sunday. What a gorgeous day it is going to be. It will be chilly in the morning, temperatures dropping down to the 30s, so it will be cool to start the day. But once that sun comes up, my goodness, it will warm things up into the mid 50s. A lot of sunshine on tap, very similar to Saturday, if not even sunnier, if you can believe it. So pleasant, pleasant, pleasant. As far as temperatures are concerned for our highs for the day, this is the warmest we'll get, usually right before sunset. That is low to mid to even into the upper 50s. Farther down to the south, a few areas getting close to the 60-degree marker even, but those low to mid 50s dominating the region. Over along the coast, we could see some low 60s as well. And don't forget, normal for this time of year for SeaTac specifically is 52 degrees. So that's a few degrees warmer than normal for that Sunday. It'll be a really nice day. Taking a look at your futurecast, putting that into motion. Here is a look at Sunday afternoon. We will have some high-level fair weather clouds streaming in from the south as that disturbance continues to hit Oregon. But most of us will see gorgeous, clear, bright blue skies. A beautiful day on tap. Monday is much of the same. A few light sprinkles could sneak in along the coast, but that is about it. It'll be another beautiful day. And then into Tuesday, that's where we'll start to see the transition and the change. So this is Tuesday morning, 7:30 a.m. here. A couple showers starting to roll through. We'll see those showers increasing into the afternoon. This is 3 p.m. on Tuesday. This is the latest or the farthest out I can show you those high resolution models, but I am seeing some shower activity moving in on Tuesday in the afternoon. It's not looking like a super soaker event to say the least, but definitely a change in the pattern compared to what we have seen so far. All right, another thing that I want to keep your attention focused on is the full moon, and it's going to be a total lunar eclipse. A blood moon is what we call this one. So this is going to be early Tuesday morning. Technically, this is Monday night, and it does look like our weather will align with keeping clear skies. The rain sneaks in after that, but it looks like Tuesday morning will be really nice conditions for some total lunar eclipse viewing. So if you want to stay up late, take a nap, maybe wake up at, I don't know, 1 a.m. And then you'll want to stay awake through 3:30 a.m. That 3:30 a.m. hour, or minute I should say, is when we hit that maximum total lunar eclipse. So the moon will be blocked. We won't be able to see it. I should say it'll appear kind of a red hue. That is where the term blood moon comes from. It's just like a sunset, how we see those red colors lasting longer longer in a sunset. Same idea here with the lunar eclipse. It appears red because of those red colors that stretch a little bit farther. So a cool thing to look forward to. Another couple of milestones we're looking forward to. My goodness, this is the time of the year where things really start to change. We are officially 5 days away from our first 6 p.m. sunset. That is March 5th. But 3 days after that, we will spring forward. We will change our clocks. That gives us an extra hour of daylight. So by March 8th, 7 p.m. sunsets. And of course, we look forward to the start of spring. That is less than 3 weeks away, 20 days. In fact, March 20th is when we ring in the new season. So winter is slowly wrapping up. We have less than 3 weeks left of winter, but we could still see a little bit of winter weather. And I want to put the futurecast into motion for the end of the week and show you what that looks like. So this is what we're looking at for Sunday afternoon. We see that activity staying pretty much that Washington, Oregon border, and south of that is where we'll keep the rain. Washington itself should stay dry for Sunday. Then we get a little bit of a break and the next disturbance moves in. So you can see this low pressure system rolls on in Tuesday. This is what's going to bring us that increasing rain on Tuesday. So as we progress through the day, that rain will increase, becoming more widespread. It's looking like by Tuesday evening. So this is 8:30 p.m. here. And then we'll continue to pump a few fronts through Wednesday, Thursday into Friday as well. So that is going to be that wet pattern that moves in. We'll keep an eye on snow levels during that time frame, but we definitely could see them lowering at least to those higher elevation mountain passes through this time frame. So we're not quite done with the winter weather yet, but we definitely are seeing wet weather moving in us. But this is the first 7 days of March that you're looking at here on this 7-day forecast. And it is looking pretty nice to start. And then we'll see that typical winter weather moving in to end.